Hi, Marianne Fessenden from AMTS here with the final video in the MixALot setup series. This clip focuses on calf feeder use on a smartphone. In the previous video, I showed you how to add the website to your home screen. After doing so, the calf feeder clicks on MixALot icon and logs into the farm. The interface for feeders is very pared down. Once logged in, the feeder sees 4 navigation buttons. Starting from the top, click on Calves. The feeder has very limited ability to change numbers. Any input that the feeder can edit will be in white. Cells showing a gray background are not editable. So here, the feeder changes the number of calves in each fed group. After any change, click Save. The next step is to enter the amount of milk picked up in the parlor if the farm is set to use waste or parlor milk. If the calf manager has indicated that the milk component measurement is through bricks reading, the calf feeder can measure and update that information. The calf feeder can also switch between volume and weight-based units. Any change is saved, and the calf feeder generates the mix report by clicking on the Go to MixALot button. In the mixing screen, the feeder then clicks on each button to see the mixing instructions, feeding rate, number of calves to feed, and the ingredients needed for that feeding. The ingredients will be broken out by regular ingredients and hand add ingredients. Note that in the mix report pages, there is an instruction section. This is a handy place for the calf manager to add a memory jogging note, like when you are weaning a group, they should only be fed once a day. This is handled in the present MixALot configuration by setting the calf number to 0 for the skipped feeding. Anytime the calf feeder needs to go back a screen, they can accomplish this by either clicking on the Back to MixALot control if they are in the report screen, and then using the Back to Menu control, or tapping the Back to Menu control if visible. Finally, in the menu, the feeder and manager can communicate via the Notes button. In the Notes section, anyone with access to the farm can leave a note. This is a convenient way for calf feeders to also communicate with each other. Treatments can be noted, protocol changes highlighted. If MixALot is supplied to the calf by a calf specialist or calf nutritionist, those farm support team members can be added to the farm as a consultant who would be able to communicate with the farm management team and see what is happening in the feeding program. So this is the basic outline for using MixALot for daily calf milk feeding. We hope we have provided enough detail to allow for self-setup. That said, we have built our company on the basis of superior support. Barring internet and utility supply issues, a web-based program can be relied on to show up to work every day and provide consistent results. There are always occasions when the best technology glitches or when the setup may not be intuitive. If you need any help, please contact us. Email support@agmodelsystems.com or contact me directly at marianne@agmodelsystems.com. Thank you for taking the time to review these videos.